If you're looking for a way to grow your own vegetables without ever having to step foot in a grocery store again, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of Malabar spinach, a powerhouse of nutrition and an easy-to-grow green that thrives in the heat. Stick around, and I'll show you how to grow Malabar spinach at home, so you'll have a continuous supply of fresh leafy greens all year round. Why Malabar spinach? Unlike regular spinach, which tends to wilt and bolt in the heat, Malabar spinach actually loves the warmth. It's perfect for those of us gardening in hotter climates, and once it's established, it's virtually maintenance-free. Not to mention it's packed with vitamins A, C, and iron. Let's get started with planting. Malabar spinach is incredibly versatile. It can be grown in the ground, in containers, or even on a trellis if you're tight on space. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep and space them 8 to 12 inches apart. If you're growing in a container, choose one that's at least 12 inches deep to give the roots plenty of room to grow. Water your Malabar spinach regularly, especially during dry spells. It prefers consistent moisture, but avoid waterlogging the soil. Once the seedlings are about 2 to 3 inches tall, you can start thinning them out to ensure each plant has enough space to thrive. Here's a pro tip: Malabar spinach is a climber. Providing a trellis or some support will encourage vertical growth, making it easier to harvest those lush leaves and saving ground space for other plants. The best part? Harvesting. Start harvesting once the plant is well established and has a good amount of leaves. Simply snip the leaves and tender stems, and the plant will keep producing. Regular harvesting actually encourages more growth, so you'll have a continuous supply of greens. Malabar spinach is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can use it in salads, stir-fries, soups, or even as a spinach substitute in your favorite recipes. To store, simply wrap the leaves in a damp paper towel and place them in the fridge. They'll stay fresh for up to a week. The good news is Malabar spinach is relatively pest-resistant. However, keep an eye out for aphids and snails, especially in wetter conditions. A strong spray of water or organic insecticidal soap should do the trick if you encounter any. And there you have it. An endless supply of fresh, nutritious Malabar spinach right in your backyard. With just a little care and attention, you'll never need to shop for greens again. So why not give it a try and start growing your own Malabar spinach today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a gardening tip. Happy gardening!